On tonight's episode of Toddlers and Tiara, she's coming to you with one earring on, her eyebrows all wiped off, crawfish smell on her hands, because she has been conned into helping her coworker with a garage sale. Now, she only wanted to sell about $60 worth of crap. Just for fun, just to see if I can do it. I've never done a garage sale before. I wanted to sell these old. I'm not gonna call them old because I gotta sell them tomorrow. Let's see. How y'all smelling? Y'all been hanging up here for a long time. Beautiful church lady attire. I wonder. This is a dress, you guys. I don't want to show you too much of me. I wonder if I could sell this for $10. Okay, so there's one. Okay, here is another one. You see my favorite. Why I personally don't want these is because they are high-low dresses. But very, very classic, very elegant. I'm thinking $10, y'all. I'm thinking $10 per dress, This one has a slight defect on it. This one might need to go through the wash because there looks like to be a makeup stain or something on it. But it has like a slight little defect on it. I would get rid of it for $5 to the elegant lady at the garage sale. But I'm going to wash her, though. I'm going to wash her for the garage sale. Okay, and then this is stuff I really do not wear. Oh, y'all, I got some garden tool dresses that I could never wear in the first place, but I bought them as goals. This one still has the tag on it, but this is fun for summer, I just never, I have two of them. I just never wore them. Let's see. This is the area I want to clear. Oh, this is one. Look at this one. This one is Kenneth Cole Reaction. Oh. Oh, I think a lady could spend $10 on this dress. This is probably what people really come to garage sales for, are unique pieces like this. It almost makes me want to keep it. But let me be honest, y'all. I do not have an A-line dress kind of body. I have a gut that will not go away. I'm going to have a tummy tuck. This one has so many memories for me. It is old. I can't wear this size, I don't think. It's another A-line dress, but just a bright yellow. I'm sure that some young girl would look really great in it and have fun in it. My butt is just a thicky, chunky chunk. Okay, how about these little ethnic prints here? Do we want to keep these in my closet? I don't know. Let's move to this side. Let's see what we have going on over here. This is kind of fun. I know that it's going to time out on me. I know I have a shirt from the lovely Sears Kardashian collection. Look at that.